Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Even the pandemic couldn't affect the pace of Hyundai. And once again the Korean car maker has put Indian customers in a big dilemma. That is to choose one of their latest offerings, the Hyundai Venue and the third generation Hyundai i20. Although these two cars fall under different segments, the pricings move parallelly and there isn't much of a difference in their performances either. So in this video, I will compare these two cars closely and put an end to the dilemma. The first root cause of this confusion is the pricing of both the cars, as this is the biggest similarity of the two Hyundais. The third generation Hyundai i20 starts from 6.79 lakhs and rises up to 11.32 lakhs ex-showroom, while the Venue ranges from 6.75 lakhs to 11.65 lakhs ex-showroom. Here you can see not much of a difference at all, but the slight differences in the higher range and lower range of both the cars will catch up when it comes to the on-road expenditure. So, apart from pricing point of view, it all comes down to whether you want to buy a premium hatchback or a compact SUV. The next important similarity among the two cars is what's under the hood. Although the engines might be tuned a bit different, but the power output of both the cars are nearly the same. Here is a list of all the engine and transmission options that are available with both the cars. Both the Hyundai i20 and the Hyundai Venue have three engines to offer. The 1-liter turbo petrol, 1.2-liter Kappa petrol and 1.5-liter CRDI diesel engine. The IMT is offered in both the cars, which is still a unique feature in Indian market. The i20 gets an advantage here, as its petrol variant gets an IVT transmission, but the Hyundai Venue gets MT transmission for its 1-liter turbo petrol engine. So the fight is even again. Although there can't be a direct comparison for looks, there is one important thing to note. The Venue is inspired by the Carlino concept, which was revealed in 2016. So the Venue adapts quite an old design language of the car maker, which is known as Fluidic Concept 2.0. But the third generation Hyundai i20 adapts the latest sensual sportiness design language, and it has successfully took itself ahead of time. Now when it comes to interior, the i20 shines out again. It has got blue ambient light, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, 50 plus BlueLink connected features, air purifier, wireless charging and an electric sunroof, which is very important for Indian customers. The Venue on the other hand comes with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, BlueLink connectivity, electric sunroof, pedal shifters, rear AC vents, air purifier and more such similar car features. The Hyundai i20 comes with a comprehensive safety package which includes ESC, 6 airbags, vehicle stability management, hill assist, rear camera with dynamic guidelines and tire pressure monitoring system. While the Venue is equipped with 6 airbags, VSM, hill assist, ABS with EBD, rear parking assist, cornering lamps, speed sensing door locks and impact sensing door locks. Hence, both cars go hand in hand in almost every aspect. But it is clear that the Venue is more performance oriented than on its looks, whereas the i20 has brilliant looks, decent performance and almost everything that you would expect at this price point. So it is clear that the third generation Hyundai i20 is the perfect upgrade that you would like to buy. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, make sure to like and share. Thank you.